Hello everyone. Welcome back to Practice English with AR, the place where you become a confident English speaker, one lesson at a time. Today's topic is super exciting and super useful. We are going to the airport. Whether you are planning a trip, watching travel videos, or just want to improve your English, today's lesson is perfect for you. We will learn real airport vocabulary, useful phrases, and actual conversations that happen at the airport every single day. So grab your notebook, get ready, and let's go. First, let's learn the most important airport vocabulary words. Repeat after me. Say each word out loud. This is how you practice. Passport, the official document you need to travel to another country. Please show me your passport. Boarding pass, the ticket that lets you get on the airplane. I need to print my boarding pass. Check-in, the process of registering for your flight at the airport. Where is the check-in counter? Luggage/baggage, your bags and suitcases. How many bags can I check in? Carry-on bag, the small bag you take inside the plane with you. This is my carry-on bag. Security check, the area where they check your bags and body for safety. Please remove your shoes at the security check. Departure, when the plane leaves. Depart equals to leave. What is the departure time? Arrival, when the plane arrives. Arrive equals to come. The arrival gate is number 12. Gate, the specific door where you board the plane. Please go to gate B7. Customs, the official control point when you enter a new country. Do I need to declare anything at customs? Great job! Those are your 10 essential airport words. Did you say them out loud? If yes, you are already practicing your English. Now let's put these words into real conversations.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in and one carry-on bag.
Okay. Please put your suitcase on the scale. It is 22 kilograms. That is within the limit. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight departs at 10:45 a.m. from gate C3.
Thank you. What time should I be at the gate?
Please be at the gate by 10:15 a.m. Boarding starts 30 minutes before departure.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Have a safe flight. Please remove your laptop, liquids, and belt and place them in the tray.
Of course. Do I need to remove my shoes as well?
Yes, please. And please walk through the scanner when I signal you.
Sure, no problem.
Ma'am, do you have any metal objects in your pockets?
Oh, I think I forgot my keys. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Please place them in the tray and go through again.
Thank you for your patience.
Good morning. Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Good morning. Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I am. Is this the gate for flight EK204 to Dubai?
Yes, it is. Boarding will begin in about 10 minutes. Please have your passport ready.
Of course. Is there a window seat available? I requested one online, but I'm not sure.
Let me check. Yes, you have been assigned seat 24A, that is a window seat.
That's wonderful, thank you. Now let me give you some extra useful airport phrases that every English learner must know. Repeat each one after me. Excuse me. Where is the check-in counter for British Airways? My flight has been delayed. Can you help me? I think I lost my boarding pass. What should I do? Is there free Wi-Fi at this airport? Where can I find the baggage claim area? How long is the layover? Layover equals the waiting time between two flights. My luggage has not arrived. I need to report it. Which terminal does my flight depart from? These phrases will save you so much stress when you are at a real airport. Screenshot this part or write them in your notebook right now. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. Today you learned 10 essential airport vocabulary words, 3 real airport conversations, 8 super useful airport phrases. If you are serious about improving your English, practice is the key. Watch this video again, repeat the dialogues out loud, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English too. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe to Practice English with AR so you never miss a lesson, and comment below. Tell me, have you ever been to an airport? What was your experience? I would love to know. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, because every word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. Bye for now.